We have a spectator, a very beautiful cat. She is watching the match. Guys, it's Sudhir Sharma, a birdie alert. Birdie. Birdie. So the magic has been done on Sudhir Sharma. Hopefully he makes lot of more birdies. We are heading to find a ball. In golf we have 3 minutes of time to locate the ball. Hopefully we find it. I think. Let's see where is it hiding. We have found the ball and ball ठीक है जी?
Okay, ball ठीक है.
Perfect, and it has been said yes by the ball guy, and it's on the right side in the rough, but it's a par 5, maybe a layup, and then he gets the ball near the flag. It's birdie time, brother. Chaurya Binu in action. That's a birdie shot. I have reached the 11th green and could manage to catch up with the maintenance team. नमस्कार, कैसे हैं?
ठीक है.
आपका शुभ नाम?
मेरा नाम नारायण कोयल.
सुबह हाजरा. गोपाल रुईदास.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से मिलके. और ये लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं वो आसान काम नहीं है. ऐसे कंडीशन में व्हेन इट इज़ रेनिंग दे आर स्टिल मेंटेनिंग द गोल्फ कोर्स एट द अटमोस्ट कंडीशन. ग्रीन्स भी बिल्कुल क्विक हैं, बंकर्स भी रिफाइंड हैं. सो ये जो आप मेंटेनेंस करते हैं तो इसमें क्या क्या आप चीज़ें ध्यान रखते हैं?
जो ग्रीन है,
हाँ जी,
ग्रीन ये पेड़ का जो पत्ता है ना,
हाँ जी,
पत्ता गिरने से वो हवा मारने से परिष्कार हो जाता है.
ओके.
तो वो जो मिट्टी है ना,
हाँ जी,
मिट्टी रहने से हम लोग को झाड़ू मारना है.
अच्छा.
हाँ,
सुबह के टाइम में जो
सुबह का जो शिशिर गिरता है ना,
हाँ,
वो शिशिर में हम झाड़ू मार के वो साफ कर देता है.
शिशिर,
वो जो पानी का कुआसा, ये पानी का
अच्छा.
पानी.
तो ये कह रहे हैं जो ओस पड़ती है,
हाँ,
तो वो आप हटा देते हो.
हाँ.
और ग्रीन का कुछ आइडिया आपको भी क्या स्पीड होगा आज?
ग्रीन का स्पीड
9-10 के आसपास तो होगा.
10
सो 10 की स्पीड मेंटेन करना आसान बात नहीं है ऐसी कंडीशन में. और अगर बारिश ज़्यादा होती है तो यहाँ पानी भर जाता है या दिक्कत नहीं आती है?
वो थोड़ा सा बंकर में पानी जमता है, ग्रीन में नहीं.
ग्रीन पे नहीं जमता है, बट उसके बाद अगर रुक जाए तो वो सीपेज हो जाता है.
हाँ.
सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप लोग बड़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं इस काम को करने में, एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू दिस गाइज. एंड आपसे मिलते रहेंगे. अभी तो 2 दिन और बाकी हैं. वेल डन. कम ऑन अनूप.
हाँ,
कौन है सर?
On the 12th hole. Buddy shot. We have the person, a special person. We have the person, a special person who is making sure that everybody abide by the rules and make sure they are on time. And hats off for the hard work which he is putting in. Hi sir, how are you?
Very good. How are you, my friend?
I am doing good. I am cheering and super excited for the IGPL tournament.
So are we, everybody.
Very nice.
Everybody is like super excited for this phenomenal tour that has been launched in this country.
So that's the beautiful fairway on the Tollygunge golf course, and finally the rain gods is having mercy on us. Rain has stopped. Found the better half of the rock star, the one and only Yashash Chandra, and I'm going to get her in the frame. She can speak a bit about herself, and there it is. Yep.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shivani, proud wife of professional golfer Mr. Yashash Chandra. So my life right now is a new world, and it's been really exciting. It's actually a world full of early mornings, lush greens, travel, and of course constant learning. So I've been walking with him and it's been really inspiring, seeing his dedication, his passion, and especially his discipline towards this game.
Good to catch with her, and wish her luck, and wish Yashash the lot of birdies pouring in maybe in the last few holes. It's birdie time.
Correct.
Be the one.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have my junior days buddy, very kind and gentleman person, Harinder Gupta with me, and I think he played a decent round. Let's hear from him. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे अपने राउंड के बारे में आज?
आज मैं अच्छा खेला, जैसे स्ट्राइकिंग खराब किया है और पटिंग थोड़ा बहुत बेटर किया है। जैसा मेरा मेन है ड्राइविंग बहुत ख़राब करी है, बट मेरा स्कोर अच्छा निकला है।
तो आपने कितनी बड़ी मारी आज टोटल?
अराउंड मैं 5 बॉडी मारा हूँ, बट 2 बोगीज अराउंड द ग्रीन चिपट मिस किया,
अच्छा जी,
बट आज खेला मैं बहुत अच्छा है।
वेरी नाइस। तो आप आज बड़ी थे आपका?
बड़ी तो नहीं था, बट आज स्ट्राइकिंग बहुत पुअर था, बहुत ख़राब था।
कोई नहीं, टुमारो इट विल बी कम ऑन हरिंदर, यू आर द वन।
थैंक यू।
Good luck for tomorrow and hope to see you hitting lot of birdies. Good luck. Thank you. We have a multi-talented, I would say, rock star. Her name is Raza Kaur. She is playing the IGPL tournament at Kolkata and daughter of one of the legends, the player Mr. Ranjit Singh. I would like to get little insight on her talent and maybe she can speak about her experience playing today. So let's get them in frame. Here they are. Hi sir. Hi Sam. How are you?
Hi.
I'm good ji. I've heard a lot about your singing and your love for the music. Can we just hear a little bit about that from you?
Yes, I do enjoy singing and playing a lot of instruments. I am learning Dilruba currently, and I learned tabla, harmonium, and a bit of guitar since the past few years.
Wonderful. So it's all your interest or your father made you do all this?
Not my father.
Yeah.
He tried to learn tabla,
Yeah.
but he just quitted it in a week or something. My mother plays harmonium, so
Okay.
there's a lot of Shabad Kirtan, so from her I learned to.
Nice. So does it help you anyway in playing good golf, the music?
Yes, it really does.
Okay,
It
so
really helps to calm down your nerves after you've done a bogey. You
Okay.
can just sing a song while you're walking in the next fairway.
excellent. What's your favorite song?
I like a lot of songs. My favorite singer is Sartaaj, Satinder Sartaaj.
Okay.
So a lot of Punjabi songs.
So can we have a line of that?
I'll sing my favorite song of Sartaaj.
That will be great.
Deep Jania.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Deep Jania, Rutta Haniya, Jeena Maniya, Dholdar bhi, Chale javange, na mud aavange, Vari vari dar paave kholdar bhi, हाय चले हो गई, चले हो गई, जिंदगी दे रोग तायब हो गई, होया हैरानिया, दिल जानिया, खंजरा तो दिखे तेरे, चले हो
That's amazing. Well sung. What a voice you have. I think it's equivalent to Nightingale. And I think I have found the next Indian Idol playing golf. Good luck for tomorrow. Cheers. At Mr.
BB Chatterjee.
BB Chatterjee. He is a man of words, man who can guide us. Anybody who's coming to play tournament in Kolkata, in Tollygunge and the neighborhood places. So I am just going to get him in the frame. Hi sir, how are you doing?
All good, all good. Excited about this IGPL happening in Tolly.
So sir, can you just give a bit of insight on if someone wants to travel to Kolkata, play at Tollygunge, how to manage things?
Primarily, Tolly has a number of rooms. You can stay here, enjoy the ambience. Why only golf? He can use the gym, he can use the pool, he can take a walk, thinking about his game. So
there are
Tolly provides all the facilities, including a lot of food outlets, drink outlets. So it's a one-stop shop.
amazing sir. And what do you say, like if somebody wants to come down to Kolkata and maybe play a couple of rounds, he can juggle around between Tolly and RCGC. What about like a little bit of RGC, if you can give an insight?
Yes, he can go and have a round at RCCC also. He can play as a guest member
Yeah.
or a member.
Perfect, sir. So,
And there are, even if you don't get accommodation in Tolly,
yeah,
there are a couple of places very close to Tolly,
well,
which provides very appointed rooms.
can you
And
name?
they are Tolly members
Okay.
who run the place.
Can
So
you?
I won't be able to give you the name of the place. Maybe one can get it from the Tolly office.
Great insight from Mr. Chatterjee. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time, and good luck with your golfing and your life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
You too have a great IGPL tournament and have all fun.
Come on, sir, you are the one.
Bye.
Bye. We have a person who runs the show for the Tollygunj Club, and his name is Mr. Pundir. We'll just have few words with him, talk a little bit about the Tolly Club, and also came to know that he loves my content. He regularly watches, and it's pleasure to meet him today at Tolly. So I'll get him in the frame. Hi, sir. How are you doing?
Hi, hello, how are you? I'm fine.
I'm good too, sir. Good to meet you, and thanks for the praises and appreciation which you have been showing by seeing my content.
No, I'm very excited to see you in Tollygunj. When I saw you, I heard a voice. You're taking some interview with some girl was singing.
Yes,
I
yes,
said,
you're
this
right.
is the Come On Anup ki awaaz hai to.
You are the one.
Yeah. So, well, I must learn some. I must take a lesson from you because I find your shots, especially the chipping shot, bunker shots are really amazing shots.
Thanks for all the praises. And sir, quickly, it's like you are managing everything. I know it's a tough job running the club as a superintendent. So a little bit of insight, like how you managed for today. If you see, today was the IGPL day one, and it was raining throughout the day, and the course was in fantastic conditions despite of rain. So what all goes into
you
it?
know, the best thing about this morning was when I woke up in the morning, my start came, I saw a rainbow.
Okay.
So the IGPL start with a rainbow in Tolly. Right?
Wow, amazing.
So it's and what happened? We have a very nice drainage system. We work every year very hard about the drainage. So I don't think there is any part of the course where there is a water stagnation. So I got a good praises from the top players of the IGPL despite of rain.
Amazing.
It's nice, and green speed was around 9.2. So
Oh, wow.
I'm very happy. Thank you for your. I mean, you came here and this big show like IGPL changed the complete color, the mood of the club.
Thanks a lot, sir, and look forward to keep bumping into you in future because I have full-time joined IGPL, and whenever there's a tournament here, I'll definitely would love to sometime play as well with you.
Okay, definitely.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you so
Good
much.
day. So it's end of day one. A lot of things happened despite of rain pouring, but we could manage to finish the game and time. And there is someone who is just trying to shy away from camera. Let's hear something from him. How are you doing, bud?
Good.
Was it a buddy day today?
So.
And what's the prep for tomorrow? Anything you are going to work on? Putting something else?
More parts, definitely.
Yeah, there's a big smile on his face, and definitely he will be the one tomorrow.
Yes.
Be the one.